Okay, hello everyone. This is our team's first retrospective for the Sprint Zero. First, we have 10 minutes to write down the cards about what went well. Do you guys finish?
Yes.
That is still writing?
Yes.
I'm done.
Okay,
Okay.
everybody done?
Yeah.
Yes.
Mhm.
Okay. Is there any duplicates still here? Not? Okay, good. Let's move into the second session. What can be improved? Also, we can have 2 minutes start. Do you guys finish?
Yes, I did.
Yes.
Yes.
Everyone?
Yes.
Okay. We can vote for this card now. If you agree with one card, you can vote it. Okay.
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 And
Okay.
you can vote at max 5 times for each column. For what went well, you can vote 5 cards, and for what can be improved, you can vote 5 cards. If I remember.
Yeah.
Are you finished?
Yes.
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 Okay, I can see we have many things. We agree we can be improved in the future. So we can begin to discuss if we have some action items. First one, too much divergent thinking, not focus on one topic at one time during meeting.
So what I feel about this point is, I will come up with a proper agenda, what is to be discussed in the meeting, so that we don't divert from the topic and stick to the point.
Okay. So, facilitator and create meeting agenda before meeting, right? Facilitator can create a meeting agenda before meeting.
Yes. But okay. You can write the name
Zai,
instead of facilitator.
Zahid will decide the meeting agenda before every meeting.
So if we put names, we will know who is responsible for this particular action.
Because maybe we have the different facilitator of the different meeting. Right?
No, but because
Mm-hmm.
I think meeting agenda is consensusly decided between the team members. So anyone can be assigned to come up, just to be prepared with the agenda, because it is the agenda that has to be discussed in the next meeting is already decided in the previous meeting.
Yeah.
So everyone knows the agenda. Just one person will make sure that everyone stick to this agenda.
Oh, okay. Okay, you can write down your card if you want. That can create. Okay. Because I think
Okay.
maybe we can assign facilitator by intern, like all of us can respond for the facilitator.
Yes, but
Yeah.
what is going to happen is in turn people might not know whose turn it is, and it will
We
end up
will
in a
decide
mess.
in
So
the previous meeting who is the facilitator, and this person can collect our topic during the uh, the days, like if you want to have if you have a topic want to discuss in the tomorrow's meeting, you can let this guy know,
yes, so I
and
think
he can put your point into the meeting agenda.
yes, so I think one dedicated person for this will be better than in turn. Everyone can tell this person to know what they have to discuss in the meeting.
Okay, that's good.
I think keep
Other
on changing will create a mess. What's
Yeah.
everyone's opinion about this?
okay,
Yes.
okay. Benzi, do you have some ideas about this one?
Yeah, that's good. We can, just give some responsibility to one person instead of just throwing it to others. You do
Okay.
it, you do it. One person will be responsible for the meeting agenda and other stuff. By that, everyone can get their individual responsibilities.
Okay,
Yes.
so we can move on to the next
Okay. Move
card.
on to the next. Getting familiar with the text decks we're using.
I think you
Do you
can,
have some
there's one
suggestions?
card, sorry to interrupt. I think there's one card with 5 votes. I think you can discuss this card first.
Okay.
You can go vote wise.
You mean not giving chance to others
Yes.
to
I think
speak?
you missed this card. Yes.
Okay. We can move to this card first. Not giving chance to others to speak. What actions should we take in the future? Putita,
I feel
do you have some idea?
Yeah. Like, okay. You
Okay,
can
then
speak.
they want to speak. Please,
Okay, Bilal.
yeah. If anyone wants to speak on any topic, they can just raise their hands. They will get the chance to speak when one person ends their like topic.
Putita, please.
Mm-hmm. So, like, so somebody like you or Zaid are talking, or me are talking, others are silent. They also interrupt and they also speak it out. Others should be silent, like we three should be silent. It's like they have to share their ideas.
Okay.
Even if they don't want to speak it out, we have to ask them, like, you want to tell something else in the project, about project, or Abby, you want to speak anything like that. You have to ask them.
And that's a good point.
Yeah.
And I feel everyone, instead of asking what will be
Like,
more,
so you guys
what
are
will,
talking, that is good, but others are not talking. That will
If
be like, um,
it
is
should be
not
a
good
brainstorming session. Everyone has to come up with some ideas.
ideas.
It
you
should be
know,
two-way
Maybe
communication
thing is
rather than
okay, Jade. Yeah.
Yeah, so what I feel is instead of, I know, like, I think this was sprint zero. So, maybe we were not comfortable in speaking up, but now as the sprint goes on, everyone gets comfortable and, friendly with each other, each of the other team members. So I think, you should be more proactive instead of, maybe a scrum master asking you, you have any idea, you can speak up, you can speak up,
Mm-hmm.
everyone's decision we should respect,
Yes,
as we are,
actually.
And
as
But
first thing is they don't have idea and they are confused.
Ah,
okay.
Yeah.
yes,
okay,
Abhi.
got you.
Zed,
Yes.
Yes, Abhi.
You
Yeah,
are
Abhi.
confused about
this
what, me and Zed, we are talking about, so you
No,
can't
no, not
involve.
about that. Not about
Oh,
that.
okay, got.
Confused means they don't know what's going on.
Oh,
Hmm.
okay.
Like
So
you
do
two
you
are
have some
talking
specific
and they
like
don't know
idea to
what you
solve the
are
problem?
talking. Sometimes we don't
Yes.
understand.
Okay,
Like
Desi, please.
Yeah, Abhi wants to speak
yeah,
something.
Yeah, Abhi. Yeah,
Let
Abhi.
him talk.
Sorry.
okay. So because we have to resolve this problem because if any one of team member talking with each other, So they totally focus on the topic. So they don't know what happening around. Okay. So something we have to like some technology we have to use like something, what is it, the pop up in the screen that someone wants to speak in between, so they can notify. Otherwise, if you speaking, if you're talking with other team members, so your goal is to focus on that topic, not what other are doing.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
Okay,
yeah, I
this
feel that's
That
this happened because you totally focus on the topic what we are discussing. Okay,
Yeah.
that's why this thing happened. So no one has intention that this person should not speak or like this, but
Not like that.
you are focusing on the topic. That's why these things happen. So we have to discuss it and give some solution of this problem.
Yeah.
Mhm.
I think on Zoom there's a feature to raise hand.
Yeah, raise hand.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so we can utilize this feature to speak up. I
Yeah, we
think
can
that would be
utilize it.
effective.
Yes.
So I think team member, like team leader, like you have some extra work if you look in the screen or if you interact in the meeting, like focus more in the meeting. If someone wants to speak, then you can come in between and like tell them he want to speak something or like this.
Okay, sounds good.
Or otherwise, if I want to speak, I raise the hand. So if you are not speaking, okay, so tell afterwards that he want to speak something. So give him a chance.
Okay.
Okay.
We can do it like this. This is like my idea.
Okay, so I have, I think I have assigned this to Pujita. So, she can look up if everyone, if someone raises their hand, or,
Mm-hmm.
if suppose, for example, Tanzil and Abhi are in a, intense conversation about some topic, and, and they are into it, and, they might not able to see the reaction.
Okay.
Then you can, you can speak up and tell them.
I
Yeah.
think yes,
Okay.
I
Yeah.
think we
Fine.
can
Yeah.
use the sticky notes while discussing on one topic. If anyone comes in the middle of the meeting, they will be able to know, oh, this particular topic is going on, rather than he'll be completely dumb what's going on.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, that's a really good idea, because
Yeah.
uh, we everyone goes through the flow of the conversation, and they forget
Yeah.
what we did.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
what
So
was the
Yes.
main
this
topic? What was the main
yes,
topic we actually want to discuss? But we will just, in a flow, we will go just out of the topic.
Your own direction.
Yeah, we can just maintain sticky notes.
hmm So I
Okay.
think
That should be okay.
this can be collab. This can be, we can concatenate it with the first action item.
Yeah.
With the agenda, you mean?
Yes. So, on
Yes,
the
yeah,
stick
yeah.
on the sticky notes, he can like I can basically have agenda as well on one side, and what key features we discussed up until now in the meeting.
Yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
Yes.
that can be the
Okay.
good idea.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Can we move on
Yeah.
the next
More.
card? Okay. Let's come back and let's just discuss the high volts cards, and I just remove some duplicate cards. Let's begin with this one. Getting familiar with the text deck we are using.
About this, what I feel is before we start planning for sprint one, if everyone gets familiar with the tech stack, then I think, once the task is assigned, they don't need to put effort in learning the tools and technologies we are using. So, before I think, everyone can make sure they can get familiar with the tech stack we are using.
Please, Denzi.
Upon that, I would like to add one more point. Uh, like if we can able to decide which tech stack we are using, like as before we said we are using the Firebase or we are using the MongoDB, it's you know it will be okay to decide which this is for this is for this, rather than confusing after in the between the sprints during the project.
Okay.
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 So let me do one thing. Let me assign to get familiar Okay, so I added the action item.
Mhm.
Oh, it's not displayed.
Yes, display. I agree.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
So next,
So next, no one have any other ideas about this one card? Okay, let's go next. Long daily scrum durations. Please, Dad.
Yeah, so what we can do is we can stick to basically, the daily scrum has basically, three basic questions like what did you do since yesterday? What are you going to do today? And, are you facing any difficulties? So I think in daily scrum, we will adhere to these three questions.
Mm, okay.
So that
And good idea.
That's good.
Mm, I have a suggestion.
yes.
I think maybe we can use a stopwatch and ask one of us to mention to remember the time during the meeting if we are like everyone can speak 2 minutes during the daily scrum meeting and this guy is already speaking 2 or 3 minutes. Someone can remember that.
Yeah, I think, that's a good point.
Yes.
Yep, agree with it.
So let me create an action item. So basically, a Scrum manager, Scrum master, that is Zuaven, can use a stopwatch to control in individual time and overall time. And what do you guys feel like? Should I? Oh, yeah. So should I add? Sticking to three basic questions in the same action item or a separate action item for this?
No, everyone has to prepare in such a way that he should or she should answer their stuff in 3 questions. That's it.
Okay, okay.
Yes.
Agree.
So let me just this assign to everyone. Stick to 3 basic daily Scrum. Yes. So if everyone stick to the speak in such a way that they follow these 3 questions, then I think meeting time will be appropriate. It will be good.
Yeah.
I think everyone has to do once a rehearse before speaking in the meeting,
Uh-huh.
rather than going
Not
dumb
be
in the
confused.
meeting. Yes,
Not be confused.
going confused what to speak in the meeting.
Mm-hmm. Yep. Okay. I think we can move on to the next card.
Mhm.
Yeah, let's go to the next card. Once the project title was decided, not enough research was done to explore ways we can build the project.
Okay. So the difference between second and sixth card, I feel, is second card is more about getting familiar with the tech stack we are using, and the sixth one is about brainstorming ideas. In how many, like in there's many ways to do, to build a component for a React component. There's many different ways to build a UI component, but we can come up with different, better ideas. So overall we will have a better result. Anyone else how, like, what action item we can create on this?
For the sixth one,
Yeah.
so like we have to break down this each topic, like each topic into 2 different parts or 3 different parts, so we can or anyone can work on the smaller part easily.
Yes, that's on Jira we are going to assign individual tasks and responsibilities after sprint one planning.
Um,
So the thing is, we have to brainstorm, think, go through,
Yeah.
there are many different research papers, there are different, maybe YouTube tutorials and stuff, on GitHub repositories. Yeah, Tansi.
Once the meeting agenda is decided, everyone has to do their research before the meeting so that everyone can come up with their creative ideas.
Yes.
And
I
also,
agree.
if you are referring to any research papers, just share it in the Slack
Okay.
so that everyone can refer.
Yeah, good. Please, Wichita.
Yeah, and if anybody comes like their own ideas, we can add more items in the project.
Yeah,
Like
I
we can
agree.
add more.
Yes, that's what, like, as the
Yeah.
sprint goes on, requirements come in and, we built
Yes.
on it, right? So
Yes.
I think that's good. Like the other time we were discussing about,
Yes.
adding a doctor
And
and patient.
if anybody doesn't know about anything, let me ask ask like a team leader or anybody in the
Yeah,
project,
you can
in the
share
group.
your doubts and all things.
Yes, everything.
Don't be shy.
Don't be shy and hesitate.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay? If you have doubts, speak it out.
I think till now everyone are comfortable with each other, right?
Yes, yes.
No, Bilal,
Um,
still someone has like a doubt, okay, but they can't speak in public.
No,
I
as
don't
if
think
now,
we have that
I
problem.
think,
Sorry, go ahead.
yeah.
sorry.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes,
Yes,
yes, Joanne.
yes,
Yes.
yeah.
We should like discuss the idea immediately. Somebody all we have always should have a like a regular meeting, like a review of feedback or the circulation meeting to review the ideas or the changes.
Mm-hmm.
You understand me?
Yeah, I got you. Like, if, for example, I was assigned to build, for example, login page, okay? But I have two ways to, do it. So what I can do is before, I can plan myself and, in the upcoming meeting, I can present it to all of you guys and, you can vote and whichever is better, we can go with it.
Yeah. On the
Mm-hmm.
feedback too.
Yes.
And if anybody work is done, let's help to others too. Like if my work is done, I'll help to Leslie or Zaid or somebody like that.
Who need it?
Okay? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep. Let's stick to the Scrum principles.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Yes, Leslie, I think we are done with what can be improved and action items. So you can move on to what went well.
We didn't speak what went well, right? We have been
Yeah,
Yes, so
speaking
it's
about
like
what
it's
can
like
improve.
this is the only positive thing.
so we were just discussing our flaws. I think we have to discuss what went well as well.
Yes, many things went well.
Yes. Many things went well. Yeah.
Yeah, because everyone were trying to help each other. We had we were meeting in class. And we, like after every class, it's like we had I think three classes till now, and after every class we spent at least 1 hour discussing ideas, and just chit chatting. That developed a good bond among us.
One good thing was we have decided our team in first 2 days
Yes,
rather than looking for a team members.
yes.
Yes.
Let me just read out few of the most voted what went well cards. So the first one, all members are positive to held and join the meeting. Yeah, everyone did attend the meeting. All of the daily scrums we had, all of the meetings we had, even though they were for a longer duration, but everyone stayed till the end. That created a positive environment to work in. That's what I feel.
All, although we didn't have any fixed timings, but everyone tried their best to join meeting.
Yeah, and then the next point, what did well is, yeah, we did well in gathering background project information. So I think this can be related with a card I saw here, that is, yeah,
The second
ideas.
action.
Yeah, yeah, it can be related with a card that at the bottom. I think it's at the last but one, that ideas from a wide range of fields were discussed, from a real-time chat app to incorporating ML and AI. We went through basically, almost every possibility on, what we are going to build. We had, good research. Everyone came up with one or two ideas at least before finalizing a project. So I
Yeah.
think, that was a positive thing. And what else? Yeah, tasks assigned were done before the due date. So kudos
That's a
to our
good.
team that we whatever was assigned to, like in the while making presentation we assigned someone to make project schedule, someone to come up with make tech stack and project description, problem statement, and we because tech stack is dependent on problem statement and project description. So if once these two are not finalized, it the tech stack will get delayed. But everyone did their job on time, everyone did their assigned task on time, so that everything went on smoothly. I think this was one of the most what we call most
Okay.
positive point.
Please, Denzel.
Yes, also the team leader and scrum master did their work very well
Thank you.
by by creating, by making available all the stuff, by sharing many videos on retrospective on Slack. It will be helpful. It is help as in many ways, right?
Mhm.
It does help.
Yes. Yes. So I think, let's continue. It's not like, we are just focusing on the action item. So, what went well, let's keep it well. Let's not, we should
It
not
sh
see, we should not see what went well in this retrospective, in sprint one retrospective, that, this is in the wrong section. What went
Yes,
wrong?
it shouldn't go in what can be improved.
Yeah. So let's keep what went well, well. Anyone wants to speak up and talk about any of the card that you think is important and we missed it?
Yeah, balancing workload. That's one of the most important because we have
Mm-hmm.
divided every work to each of the team members,
Yes,
so no one get too much burden of works.
yes.
And we decided the work like if she is good in like this some technology, then they choose their own technologies, okay, and they choose
Mm-hmm.
their own expertise.
Yes,
And we also divide the works as well as.
yes. We have to keep this up in sprint one planning and assign the task well among each other. So anyone else? So,
Actually, you guys already said what I want to say. So go
you can
ahead.
still repeat it. You can still repeat it because
Yeah.
we want to. I want to hear what went well more.
You guys already did. You already said what the I want to say, and I am totally agree with you guys because we have a clear point with each other, and maybe we can understand each other more later, and we're gonna have a maybe better communication, and we're gonna do our project better.
Okay. I think hmm, I think that's it for Tanzit.
Please.
I hope everyone will work on action items in next sprint. One retrospective, it should come in what went well, not in action items.
Yes.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
So
I hope so.
I hope
mhm.
so.
It's nice working with you all, and I think that's it for our sprint zero
I think we I
retrospect.
think I got the best team ever. I think, yes.
I
Yes,
agree with you,
I
Kenzo.
agree with you because we have a good bond. We
Okay.
developed a good bond along the way. So I think that's it for sprint zero retrospective. Let's keep what went well, and the action items in the next retrospective should be in what went well. So that's all. That's Team SkinLens for you all. Thank you.